yeast with beer. We are going to be making pizza. The crust is not going to be using yeast, so instead we are going to be using beer.
Let's go!
Our first ingredient is going to be flour.
3 cups level. The next ingredient is baking flour powder.
Our next ingredient is going to be sea salt. Half a teaspoon of sea salt. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients together, we have to sift it. Now that we have all the stuff sifted, what's the next step, Dawson?
It's time for me!
Okay, now we have to knead. We're going to knead it. By kneading, you go and press it down with your palm, just like this. And you go like this and fold it into itself. Then knead some more. Put on it, whatever you want to call it. Just gotta work it in, make it flatter, put all that, mix up all that stuff. Now we are going to saran wrap them and let them rest for about 45 minutes to an hour.